Welcome to QR codes. Here, you can create unlimited QR codes through which many actions are available. Let's start with an overview of this page, then I'll walk you through how to create a QR code and the various options you have. At the very top, you have the ability to refresh this page. Next, you have analytics. You have the ability to create bulk QR codes, create a folder, and create the individual QR codes. If you have multiple, you can click the select button, select all, and do additional actions such as download, folder, and delete. Underneath the analytics section, it'll take you to the analytics page, and it'll select QR codes, and you can analyze this number of scans for your QR codes, and of course, be able to sort through the various QR codes that you have and the dates applicable. Going back to the QR code section, we can add and create another folder if we'd like to organize it. Your current QR codes can then be edited, or you can select, move to a folder, rename, download, and copy the link attached to this QR code. Let's click on Create QR Code, and we'll be presented with choosing a type. The various types that you have available are a direct website link, a review link, a call, which when you put a phone number in and someone scans it, it'll immediately redirect them to calling this attached phone number. You can add an SMS, an email. You can redirect to a payment link, redirect to a WhatsApp. You can force them to go to a funnel, a form, survey, a quiz, a pre-built profile card, a vCard, and a business card. Let's start with website. When you click on website, and you click on next, you'll simply add the URL for your website. If we choose review link and click next, we can choose from one of the profiles that you have integrated into your account and attach that URL to a Google review link or a Facebook review link. Once you're happy with the settings on this page, such as the header, the text, and the footer, you can click on next and continue styling your QR code. You could do things like background color, dots of the color, marker border colors, and marker center colors. One thing I will remind you of is you do not want to do things too drastic with a QR code. They should be easily scannable. Let's go back. Underneath phone calls, when you hit next, you can enter in that specific phone number, and after entering, it'll go to the QR colors and shapes. Underneath SMS, you can choose a pre-attached description so that whenever they scan the QR code, it'll automatically enter in the message that you have attached. Such as, if you want a prompt that when you scan this QR code, send the message, hello, you can enter in that message here. Underneath email, you can do some of the same. You can choose which email they are going to send an email to, enter in a pre-described subject and message. Underneath payment, you can choose one of your payment links in your account. If you do not have one, you can go and create a payment link there. Underneath WhatsApp, you can choose the WhatsApp account phone number that you have created. You can also attach a message just like the SMS. Under funnel, you can choose one of the funnels that you have in your account and the dedicated step. Under form, you can choose one of the forms in your account and edit the style. Same for survey and quiz. Under profile card, when you hit next, you can design this page, enter the name, upload an image, choose the transparency of that image, enter in phone number, email, website URL, company name, the job, address, and any social media accounts that you want to have attached. Once you're happy with all those settings and the URLs, you can click on Next, Stylize, and use your QR code. Very similar for vCard. Underneath the vCard, this will allow people to tap this page and add the vCard to their account. It's a simple way to add contacts to individual phone device. Under business card, this will give you a little bit more flexibility to stylize it just like a business. So you can add hours and social media channels. Once you're happy with any of your choices and you end up going to the colors and shapes page, you of course can add a logo in the center, and then you can copy the link, download, and choose PNG, SVG, or PDF. In most cases, PNG is going to be just fine, and you can click the download button. Once you're happy, click Save. Saving the QR code will allow you to analyze the results and the number of scans for your account.